Let's move on to algebraic equations. So we'll start with the first type, general equations, and the instruction is to solve for x. We are given -4 minus x is equal to 2x minus 12. Right, so we have four terms here, -4, -x, 2x, and -12. We need to take the variables onto the left-hand side and our constants onto the right-hand side. So I have -x already on the left-hand side, so I'll leave that the same. My 2x though is on the right-hand side. I need to bring that over, so that becomes -2x. On the right-hand side, I have -12 here already. I'll leave that as -12. There's no change, but my -4 is on the wrong side. I need to bring that over, so that becomes +4. So now just do what it says. -x minus 2x is -3x. And -12 plus 4 is -8. So if -3x is equal to -8, I need x only, so I need to divide by -3. So x will be -8 divided by -3, which is 8/3. And you can simplify that to a mixed number if you like. Okay, fractional equations, the second type. Instruction again, solve for x. We are given 5/2x is equal to -4/3. We can find our LCD here and eventually drop off our denominators when they are the same. So let's do that. So 5/2x is equal to -4/3. Our denominators are 2x and 3, which makes our LCD 6x. Let's just explain that. So our denominator here has a numerical value of 2, and our denominator here has a numerical value of 3. The LCD of 2 and 3 is 6. Now for the variables, I have only an x, so x has to be there for my LCD. So that's how our LCD becomes 6x. So again, we look for what's missing in the first fraction denominator. We had originally 2x. To make that 6x, I need to multiply by 3. Multiply the bottom and the top by 3. The second fraction, we had originally 3 as the denominator. I need to make that 6x. So I need to multiply the 3 by 2x. Multiply the bottom and the top by 2x. Okay, so let's open that out. 5 times 3 is 15 on the top over 6x at the bottom. -4 times 2x is -8x on the top times 6x at the bottom. That's fine. Because both our denominators are 6x and it's an equation, we can drop them off. But because we have a variable in the denominator, it's very important here, we are going to put in a restriction. You use a restriction when you have a variable in the denominator, and because we are dropping off the denominators, we must have a restriction for what x can't be. So we are saying that 6x cannot be 0, because when the denominator is 0, you remember we'll get a fraction that's undefined, and that's not going to help us in any way. So we are going to say that 6x is not equal to 0. If 6x is not equal to 0, divide both sides by 6. We're going to say that x cannot be equal to 0 as well. So we left with here 15 is equal to -8x. That's when we drop off our denominators. To get x, I need to get rid of the -8. So I'm going to divide. So x will equal to 15 divided by -8, which is -1 and 7/8 as a mixed fraction. Next is quadratic equations. Let's solve for x here. We have x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. When it's already factorized, you can just take each bracket and equate it to 0. We already have factorized here and it's equal to 0. So you take each bracket, x plus 3, make it equal to 0. There we go. And you can take x minus 2, make it equal to 0. There we go. Solve each equation. So x plus 3 is 0. That means that x is equal to -3. Or x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means that x is equal to 2. Okay, the second example we have here is 2x squared minus 5x is equal to 12. Let's take everything over to the left hand side because this looks like it's a quadratic equation because of the x squared being the highest power, and there's 3 terms here. So we'll have 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. We have 2x plus 3 into x minus 4. Now this we got by factorizing this trinomial. Remember how to factorize a trinomial? You need to use the cross method. We have done it before, so just go to that lesson if you are unsure. Take each bracket now, make it equal to 0, and solve for x. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x will equal to negative 3, so x is negative 3 over 2. Or x minus 4 is equal to 0, which makes x equal to 4.